Do you know which activities we consume very less of vital economy? When we live to a true nature. Now, what does it mean by true nature? Like, as we are meant to be. The nature, we are nature, and the nature is around us. So, it is all the same. The nature outside, nature inside, and in fact, all the people are the part of the nature. So, we all are same. When we live a life in harmony with the people outside, people around us, and the environment with ourselves, we use very less of the vital economy. When we live every moment as it's supposed to be, like fully happy, enjoying each moment without the past baggages and future anxieties, then we are living our true nature. And that's why, if you will see, a child is always very happy because he lives a life like that, and he is always energetic. We have to be again like that. We have to be child again. We have to understand our own self, our true nature. Our true nature is to be happy, to enjoy, to be creative, to try new things, is to have that spark in our eyes. So today, figure out something which really excites you, which you truly love. It can be any passion, it can be gardening, stitching, cooking, singing, dancing, whatever you are good at, you love. And it's very important to do such activity every day. You might not have a dedicated time every day to do it in your current routine. So try to find out at least 15-20 minutes to do that every day from today. Find out some time for yourself, some time to do something which really passionate you, which really excite you, but which when you do, you forget every other thing in this world. It's a meditation for you, and it will help you to come back to the present moment and optimize your vitality. Hope you find all the things which you love and start practicing them in your day-to-day lifestyle. Happy healing!